Hi everyone, I am Abhishra, an MCA student at Kannur University. Today, let's discuss about ID3 decision tree algorithm and its applications. A decision tree is a flowchart-like structure used for classification and regression. Its importance are easy to understand and interpret, handles numerical and categorical data, and widely used in machine learning and data mining. The components of a decision tree are root node, the topmost node representing the entire dataset. Internal nodes, test condition on attributes. Branches represent the outcome of a test leading to data splitting. And finally, leaf node represent the final class label or outcomes. Here is the pictorial representation of it. ID3 means iterative dichotomizer 3 is used to generate a decision tree from a dataset using entropy and information gain. The steps are: first calculate the entropy of the dataset, then for each attribute calculate the information gain. Select the attribute with highest information gain as the root. Then split dataset according to the values of selected attribute. Repeat recursively for each subset until all instances belong to same class or no attributes are left. Now let's move to the mathematical part. Entropy H of S measures the disorder or impurity of a set S. A value of 0 means the set is perfectly pure. H of S equal to minus sigma I equal to 1 to n pi log pi base 2. Here, H of S, the entropy of set S. Pi is the proportion of instance in S that belong to class I. And the logarithm based 2 is used because information is measured in bits. Information gain measures the reduction in entropy achieved by splitting the dataset S on attribute A. The ID3 algorithm seeks to maximize this value. Gain S, A equals HS minus sigma SV by S into H of SV. Here, H of S is the entropy of original dataset S before the split, and SV by S, the proportion of instance in the subset SP relative to total instance in S, which act as a weight for the subset entropy. And finally, H of SV is the entropy of subset SV. Here, this dataset is used to predict if play tennis is yes or no based on 4 weather attributes. Look through it. Here, ID3 calculation for root node. The initial entropy dataset has 9 yes and 5 no instance out of 14. By calculating entropy, we get 0.940 bits. The information gain determines how much an attribute reduces the uncertainty of classification. By calculating, we get 0.2464 for outlook attribute and 0.151 for humidity and 0.048 for wind and 0.029 for temperature. By looking through it, the ID3 algorithm select the attribute with maximum information gain. Here, root node equals outlook. Its information gain is 0.246. It is the maximum value. The final decision tree look like this. The tree is fully built by recursively splitting the sunny and rain branches based on the next highest information gain, humidity and wind respectively. Now let's move to advantages and limitations of ID3. Advantages of ID3 are simple to understand and implement, can handle both categorical and continuous data, and good for small data sets and basis for more advanced algorithms. Now, limitations of ID3 are overfitting on noisy data and cannot handle numeric attribute directly, requires preprocessing, biased toward attribute with more level of values. Decision trees are used across various fields. Some of them are medical diagnosis, example predicting disease, finance, example credit risk analysis, and marketing, customer segmentation, then e-commerce, predicting user preference. In summary, ID3 is a foundational decision tree algorithm. It uses entropy and information gain for optimal splitting. The step-by-step calculation leads to a clear, interpretable tree structure. It is widely used in machine learning applications. You can refer this for further information. Let me conclude it. Thank you. Hope this video is helpful for all.